Floating through the silent sky, weightless thoughts as stars go by. No more rush, no more sound, only stillness all around. Circuit pulses, glowing streams, melting into endless dreams. Soft vibrations in my mind, leave the noise and time behind. Drift with me in the echo light, past the clouds beyond the night. In this world we gently fade, peace within the code we made. Let the rhythm guide your soul, in the space we're whole. Echo drift, pure and wide, in the calm we reside. Signals hum a sacred tone. In this stillness we're alone, but not lonely, just aware of the peace that fills the air. Digital waves rise and fall, answering a silent call. We can slowly intertwine, heart and data redefine. Light years from the world we knew, now we float in something true. Echoes wrap us like the tide, in the hush we confide. Drift with me in the echo light, past the clouds beyond the night. In this world we gently fade, peace within the code we made. Let the rhythm guide your soul, in the space we're whole. Echo drift, pure and wide, in the calm we reside. In the space we're whole, echo drift, pure and wide, down the flow something inside. Drift with me in the echo light, past the clouds beyond the night. In this world we gently fade, peace within the code we made. Let the rhythm guide your soul, in the space we're whole. Echo drift, pure and wide, in the calm we reside.